Hello everyone. So today I am doing this Power BI project where I have divided this project into two parts. So in first part we will be creating pipeline in Power BI services where we will be taking file from our on premises, and we will be doing data cleaning and modeling on this flat file, and we will be creating fact table and dimension tables in the form of CSV files, and then we will be downloading these files to our computer, that is on premises again. And all the cleaning and modeling part we will be doing in PySpark notebook, okay, and in Power BI services. And all these things we will run through pipeline. Okay, so in pipeline we will be having three activities. First, to like take a file from our computer to Power BI services. Then in second activity we will be running our PySpark notebook where all the cleaning part and data modeling part is done. And third, to download the created output files to our on premises server, that is on our desktop. Okay, this is first part, to creating this pipeline and getting the files ready for analysis. And in the second part we will be using these files, and we will be doing the analysis in Power BI desktop. Okay, so this is this simple project document where it has mentioned what all things I should follow. And data set should follow the Stark schema, so it should be having one fact table and other dimension tables. So data cleaning part and all that, you have to do some measures you have need to consider while creating the Power BI report, all those things. And these are the like while creating the visuals, what all things you need to consider. Okay, KPI dashboard design, so all this is given in my document, so we will directly go and create this project. Okay, so first of all I want one file related to this retail store data. So from Kaggle I took this data set superstore.csv. So this data set is containing 21 columns. Okay, so it is like flat file. They have all data related to customer, related to sales, and related to product or category in one table only. So we don't want like this. We want customers data in customers table, product data in product table, and the sales data in sales fact table. Okay, so that we will be doing afterward. But first I have just downloaded this file and I have kept in this folder. Okay, input file, it is all we got from Kaggle. Okay, so I have saved it here. We will be using this. And then I have created output files. So here modeled files, customer customer file, then product file and sales file we will be getting here after doing all the cleaning and modeling in PySpark notebook of in Power BI services. Okay, so let's start doing. So first of all, I will create one workspace. Okay, so like why we create workspace? So all our like notebooks and pipelines, if we are creating dashboard, if we are creating for that particular project, so all those things would be saved at one place. That will be your workspace. Okay, so I will be creating new workspace here. I already had created a workspace for this project, but to show you now, I am creating a sample workspace again. So it is superstore underscore final. I will give just a name. Okay, you can give here description also, but I am not giving anything now, so I will keep it like this only. Okay, so this workspace is created. So inside this workspace you have to create now lake house. So inside this lake house your tables and all, um, your folders will get saved. So that you have to create this lake house. So I will create one lake house. Okay, I will just give lake house name superstore underscore lake house final. Okay, like this, and the workspace is already selected. So this lake house I have created. Now you will see some structure under this lake house. Okay. So under lake house you can have files and tables. Okay. So this is tables folder, and you can see no tables are here. I am clicking on DBO, clicking on table. No tables are here inside. Files also nothing is there, empty. So I will create here one subfolder named landing. So in this folder we will be taking our file from our computer to this landing folder, and then at the end we will be having these modeled files in these export folders, and then we will be downloading those files on our computer. So we just need these folders. Now these folders are empty. Okay, so I just created this to show you, and this dbo is tables is also empty because it's not we have not done anything yet. Okay, so what is our aim? Our aim is first to take this file from our computer, which is here in input files folder, this file into this landing folder, and then create um, spark tables by spark table delta tables it is called. So create delta tables. Okay, in PySpark notebook. So tables will come here, delta tables, and then these delta tables we will copy into the CSV files in this export folder, and these files then we will be downloading to our output files folder. Okay, so all these things we need to do. For that we need to create one pipeline. So I have already created one pipeline. I will show you that pipeline directly. Okay, so my workspace was this, and in that workspace I had created this pipeline. Okay, so this pipeline is very easy. It contains two copy activity and one notebook activity. So in first copy data activity, you are just giving source as your desktop input file folder was there, no? So that you are giving here. Okay, input file folder name, no? So that you are giving here. You can browse it from here. You will see the it here, but it takes time actually here. Refresh. So this is same only input file from my yeah, root folder was this. Okay. Cancel. Okay, I will just, okay, so already this folder is selected input file, so I will not change anything now. Okay, input file failed to load, the integration runtime is busy now. Okay, or something related to this Power BI services message I here came, but no need to see this now because it is just setting for this copy data pipeline. Okay, so I just set this input file folder as a source destination. From there, I need to take a file. Okay, file path I have given. Okay, and then destination lake house, our lake house is there, and our landing folder I told you, know, in landing folder we need to save that file. So landing folder is there. Okay, this copy data activity, and once we get this file in the notebook, we will create one PySpark notebook, and in the inside the PySpark notebook all cleaning and all that coding we will do in that. So this activity is just to run that notebook. Okay, so just say in setting you have to just give workspace name and your notebook name. Okay, that's it. And in third, in export, as I said, in export folder which we had created under the lake house, there we will be getting our CSV files, output CSV file, model files, and that we have to download on our computer. So source is like from lake house export folder, and the destination is our computer output files folder. Okay, so that's it, the pipeline. Okay, so I will, what I will do to run this pipeline, it takes actually very much time. So I will just run this pipeline, and at the end you will be seeing the files on our computer, and I will explain you the and simultaneously I will explain you the notebook part. Okay, so I will just run it because it takes a time. So uh, you have unsaved changes. Okay, save and run. I didn't do any changes, so I have saved and just run that. Okay, so it will start running. I will just show you how it looks, output how it looks, and then I will go to show you the notebook part. Okay, okay, so yeah, upload to the first activity is running now. Okay, so we will see the notebook part. Okay, so this I have shown. So notebook, how you can create, here is open notebook tab. So here you can click on new notebook, and you can create a new notebook here. You can change the name of notebook here. Okay, you can change it like superstar, no, superstore underscore notebook, like that. Any name you can give, and here you can start coding. Okay, but I had already created, and here you can see all these things. Okay, but I had already created this notebook. I will just explain that. Okay, so I will be going to my workspace, previously created workspace. And there I had created this notebook, Superstore notebook. So I will just open this notebook. And okay, so here also you can see I had deleted all the files, so you cannot. Now the landing file will be here because we have already run this pipeline, and first is successful. First copy data is successful, so in copy data we have copied this file to landing. So here you can see this file, but under export and under tables you would not see anything, okay, because pipeline is running. Okay, so I will explain what I have done in this PySpark notebook. So in PySpark notebooks, this file's name, okay, file names are coming from the pipeline. Okay, so whatever file is saved on my computer in this input file is superstore, sample underscore superstore. So same file name we have to give here. Okay, so these things we are getting from the pipeline only. Okay, and then now we have to use the file from this landing folder and do the cleaning part on that file. Okay, so this is the code to read that file. First we had given this path and all, and we have read that this file. And now it will not happen, I think, because already this pipeline is okay. All the three are done. Okay, here. So here actually I was seeing when I run here you get some output, no? So here I have done like df dot head and all. So I thought we will be seeing some output, but it's okay, I will show you the notebook. So here I have dropped the duplicates, so it is cleaning part. Then date was like date column was not having proper date data type, so I have changed that. Here I have checked all the data types of all the columns if they are correct. And like afterward I faced some problems regarding the column names. So my column names were having spaces, so it was creating problem when I was creating delta tables and all in this PySpark notebook. So here I just renamed those column with space, removed that space I have changed to underscore. Okay, in column names. Then I just checked the table content. Then the basic cleaning part I have just done because the file was like clean only. The checking of nulls and all that you can do here. And then I have started creating the dimension table. So in dimension table, you can create from this data, you can create customer table, product table, and the fact sales table. Okay, so here I am creating first customer table. So for customer table I have created for the delta table with these columns. Okay, and then okay, so here I just gave the schema. Here I have created the actual delta table. So here it is empty now, and then we will be taking the data from our input file into this customer table. Okay, so here we are checking like duplicates are there. If matched record, then like we have to update. If new, then insert. So like this from our input file we are updating this table. Okay, and delta table we are creating under this tables dbo. Here we are creating this table team customer table. Okay, and then after execution you can see the table. Now here is previously table was empty, delta table. Here after loading from input file you can see the content of table.